transactions. What complicates the revelation of Kong Saldico ay kasabay ng malalaking rally ngayon sa EDSA at sa Luneta. Ano po ba ang tunay na motibo? Paglalahat ng katotohanan o pagpapabagsak ng gobyerno ni Pangulong BBM? Truth must come out, but the motive should not be extra-constitutional manipulation to remove a sitting president and go beyond constitutional limitations. Saldico, you are a direct participant in these budget manipulations. In fact, I find it hard to believe that you have not benefited from it. Panahon pa ni Pangulong GMA, sikat ka na sa government contracts. But President BBM, you have to come clean. You have to explain it well to the people. Ikaw ang nagsimula ng investigasyon na ito, pero di mo sinasagot kung bakit hinayaan mo na salaulain ng Kongreso ang 2023, 2024 at 2025 GAA. Noong 2023, some 300 billion were inserted and diverted by Congress. Di ka kumibo. Pati na ang gabinete mo, hindi kumibo. 2024, more than 500 billion were inserted and appropriations were diverted. Hindi ka pa rin kumibo. Ang gabinete mo, hindi rin kumibo. 2025 GAA, 473 billion were inserted and appropriations were diverted. Di ka pa rin kumibo, maliban sa 29 billion na binito sa dahilang mas lumaki na ang pondo ng DPWH kaysa DepEd, which will make this 2025 GAA unconstitutional. Parang imposible na hindi mo alam ito, Pangulong BBM. Not knowing that hundreds of billions in your budget proposal year after year for 3 years is unimaginable. This is a question of complicity or competency. Paano na, bayan ko?